We at Nordcap have been developing UrbanFlow for about 3 years now, a textbook example of creating a disruptive new experience through strategic interaction design.
And the wonderful thing here is that we've been collaborating with ex-Nokia director Adam Greenfield and his company UrbanScale here on figuring out what are the best practices and how this thing should be done.
It all started with background research on the streets of Helsinki and Tallinn in order to understand our users' needs. We focused on UrbanFlow's situated use. The service should offer a strong mix of information and guidance, local services and way showing, open data, and citizen to municipal communication. A visual system for UrbanFlow would have to be scalable and adaptable. That's why our design is built upon a solid grid, strong typography, clear iconography, and a friendly tone of voice. The motion language was designed to support easy single-digit interaction, as well as supporting modern paradigms such as multi-touch.
Urban screens are really a completely new medium. While there are rules governing how people interact with screens, there are very few regarding urban spaces and the city.
So it's up to us to create the rules. Designing for any city requires insight into its culture, industries, and the behaviours of its people. The thing that links them together is urban informatics, the digital layer on top of a city's landscape. Helsinki's size meant that it was an ideal test environment in which to build UrbanFlow. And most importantly, the screens are already here.
The minimum viable product for UrbanFlow is a map-based interface with layers of data on top of it.
It is a tool for orientation, identification, and discovery, as well as a source of comfort for visitors. People are already familiar with maps, so it's an ideal interface upon which to build powerful, real-time informational services.
We are currently in talks with the city of Helsinki, and our collaborators, UrbanScale, are doing the same with several major cities in the US and worldwide.
We are aiming to build a first iteration of UrbanFlow in 2012. UrbanFlow deserves to win because it represents a completely new way for citizens to interact and connect with their city. It's an incredibly useful service that is also sustainable, scalable, and friendly, built upon a foundation of transparency and open data. But the best part is that it's all doable right now. It's going to happen somewhere, so let's make it happen here.